What is up, ladies and gentlemen? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I'm making passive income working online. So what I mean with passive income is pretty much doing the work once and then kind of reaping the rewards after that. So I've mostly been focusing on print on demand. So what that is pretty much you come up with a design and you can get these designs onto products. The main one I've been using is Merch by Amazon. So Amazon has a program where content creators like myself will come up with ideas, designs to have them pushed into t-shirts, several types of apparel, pop sockets, all these types of different products. Now, with Merch by Amazon, I get some royalties from it. So this has been the main source of income for me online for several years now. So let's have a look at my account. So today I've sold two t-shirts so far. It's almost Christmas, and I still have sold Christmas design right here. And as you can see, I have been doing pretty well this year. I've done a lot better previous years, but now that it's more competitive, my sales aren't as much, but still nice income that I'm getting. And I haven't really been working too much on my account. I usually dedicate once a week, not necessarily just on this account, but most of my online stuff. Usually dedicate once a week to either putting up designs, editing stuff, or a little bit of customer service that I might have to do with some of these other platforms. But specifically with Merch by Amazon, it's pretty, I haven't paid for advertisement. So a lot of the work has already been done throughout the years. And I'm just, kind of reaping the benefit of all that work done. So having, this gangster rapper funny ugly Christmas sweater probably designed 2 years ago, and I'm still getting money from that work. So throughout this year, let's just have a little look how I did in 2020. So this is what I've made in the USA marketplace. That's most of my sales are coming from, but I do get sales from these other places, from the UK, Germany, France, Italy. I'm not sure if I ever got a Japanese sale, not yet. But most of my income is coming from the American market, so Amazon.com. In January, I made just over 900, and then in April, I made zero. So that's pretty much when the whole sickness came around in the world, and Amazon was, flooded with people needing things, and my products were considered non-essential, so I made nothing that month. But now gradually, I've been getting up there. So in November, I made just over 700, and you can see it's between 500 and let's say $800. It's been the past few months. So and I have only been working on it for once a week, mainly to maintain it and just to upload a couple of designs here and there. So this is a great opportunity if you are a designer, or if you know designers, or if you would like to be in the print on demand industry. Even though you're not a designer, you can still hire people or use services. They'll help you put up unique designs. So now let's look at Etsy. So this past year, I made over $6,000 Canadian. So I'll probably say between 30 and 40% of that is profit. Once again, I haven't spent money in advertising besides just kind of social media posts and putting stuff on Pinterest. I haven't done much of promotion of my products. A lot of it is just trying to come up with unique designs, putting it up there, and I've been getting pretty good sale, getting really great reviews, and I'm mostly just selling t-shirts in this platform, and definitely a great place to start making money. Now, you don't necessarily just have to sell t-shirts. They have all kinds of stuff. They're mostly geared to handcraft stuff. So people sell handmade jewelry, paintings, all kinds of stuff. But definitely a place to check out if you want to make some, let's say, passive income. In my case, it's a little more passive because I already make the work. So I come up with the designs, they're ready on the t-shirts, and I have a fulfillment partner that's in charge of making these products and sending it out to my customers. So I'm pretty much hands off. The only time I really have to work on my account is either to put up a new design or do some customer service, saying, answering some questions of a potential customer or an existing customer if they have any issues. But overall, just as I said, probably just spend that once a week time. So it's not completely passive, but it's still, still a great opportunity. Another place I've been doing fairly okay is with PayPal. Not as much as as you can see with Amazon or Etsy. I get like 50, 60. The best month was what just right now. So I got $157 Canadian for the month of December. So between $157 and the lowest was right here, $46 every month. This is a great little side cash that I'm getting. And a lot of work has already been done in the previous years. So just how I mentioned before, once in a while I tweak things and I upload new designs. TeePublic is another place I sell my designs on, and they usually go on to t-shirts. Now with Redbubble, a lot of my sales are stickers. So this could definitely be a lot more money, but it isn't, because a lot of the sales, a lot of what I'm getting is like 25 cents, maybe a dollar here and there, because a lot of the stuff I'm selling here are mostly stickers. TeePublic, I am selling a lot more t-shirts, so I do make a lot more, but the amount of sales isn't as much as Redbubble. But as you can see, total lifetime earn is over $1,300. So this year I definitely didn't make all this. I'm guessing it would be between $600 to $800. So this month I received $71. Now the best thing about this one right here, not only am I making money from my designs, I'm also making affiliate money. So if I get other people to come to this website through my links, my social media links, my Pinterest account, and they buy it, I get a commission, as well as bringing new artists into this platform. I also do get a commission, and the commissions are roughly around the same ballpark of what I'm doing in sales. Sometimes, some days, the commissions of or the affiliate money is actually more than what I'm getting in sales. So TeePublic has really been a great platform that I've been working with. So the last place I've also been doing fairly well is YouTube. Now it's not crazy amount of money, so this is roughly what I made this past year. But the thing is, I haven't really been uploading that many videos. So this is let's have a look at what was my last video. What month? So we're looking at April. So April was the last time I uploaded a video. So for the most part of the year, everything I made after that, I already done the work. So it's truly passive income. But if I do want to get this to grow, I definitely have to put more effort. So these are the main places I'm making some money online, and a lot of it is mostly passive, which I really like. Currently, I have a full-time job, and I only really get to work on my online businesses, let's say once a week or twice a week at the most. So a lot of this is truly passive. So some of the other money I make online are promoting affiliate products. So like Merch Informer, which helps you with your Merch by Amazon business. I also promote Creative Market. So I use a lot of Pinterest to promote my Creative Market affiliate account. So I would suggest designs, tools that will help designers to create their own unique designs, and I get some commissions from that. Also, I have a fulfillment partner which I use with my Etsy account, so I promote them, and I get some, I get some money from that. So I do have a lot of several um, other side incomes, fairly small, but at the end it kind of all adds up and makes it all worthwhile. So that is an update of how I've been doing this past year, not really even focusing much of my time and effort into making this money, but I've done it all in the past and I continually making it. So if you want to make some money online, these are some of the places I would suggest to check out, especially if you are, design driven or you have a creative mind. I will be focusing on other aspects like affiliate marketing in coming up years. I'm really interested in Bitcoin. People say you can definitely make passive income investing in Bitcoin. There are several options, not just buying crypto, but also creating artwork. So these are themes I will be, thinking about and researching in the next coming months, and hopefully I'll be sharing that with you guys. That is all for today. I hope you guys have a great holiday season. Hope you be able to, enjoy it with your family, and I hope you're all healthy, safe, and I'll see you probably in 2021. Peace.